Welcome to our exciting tutorial on IPTV Smarters for Samsung TV usage. Let's start by ensuring your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Now, grab your TV remote and go to the Smart Hub on your TV. In the Smart Hub, use the search option to find IPTV Smarters. Once you find the IPTV Smarters app, click on the download icon. Wait while the app is downloading and installing onto your Samsung TV. After the installation is complete, open the IPTV Smarters app now. You'll need your IPTV subscription details to set up your account. Enter your username and password into the respective fields on the app. Once entered correctly, click Login to access IPTV Smarters features. Explore the various menus that include live TV, movies, and series options. Select a category that interests you and browse through the available channels. Click on a channel or a show to start streaming instantly and enjoy. Adjust the settings to optimize your viewing experience for the best results. Now that you're all set, you can enjoy your entertainment hassle-free. Before we wrap up, remember this video is sponsored by 2tv.store. Check them out for reliable IPTV options that will impress you greatly.